I'm 1, 2, 3 fat butts. Come along with me in my documenting and educational only channel. I'll walk you through my methods. Hopefully we'll have some fun along the way.
Good afternoon, Groomy. Today is Sunday, November the 1st. And we are in the brand new Spiderfarmer 2x2. No matter where you're at in the world, you will find a link in the video description for you. You will also find a link in the video description where you can show the old man some love. I always mail back some love for doing so. We're rocking this 2x2 out. Spiderfarmer was kind enough to send me this lovely 2x2 tent in this SF1000 grow light. I purchased the Spiderfarmer Grow Genius System GGS AC5. She is dialed in and rocking on. 6-inch 10-speed oscillating fan. You can adjust the movement of the swivel, how far it swivels back and forth, and it has a natural wind speed setting. I also purchased the Spiderfarmer 6-liter humidifier, which is rocking on. I had a problem with it yesterday. Probably got some trash in it or something from packing, some styrofoam or something that shut down on me. I Googled the problem. Had a red light down there. Told me it was low on water and it had shut down. It was 3/4 of the way full. I unplugged it, gave it a smack, plugged it back in, and it took off. So evidently I got to get in there and clean something out. No worries, she's running now. We have the temperature, soil temperature, moisture, and EC meter plugged in. First time I've had the opportunity to use one of these, so that's pretty cool. We'll see how it goes later on in the grow when the plant's too big and I don't want to be trying to pick up the pot. I ought to know what it should be by the meter by then, right? Yes, sir. Here's some of my giveaway items. For my next giveaway coming up. Of course, most of you that's been following me know my buddy Rod passed away this time last year. I bought this Luca for him. It's time to let her go. I have one brand new in the box. I will also have a Dano Plus power meter for the giveaway. And this brand new AC Infinity pH meter. And you can get the replacement head for this for $30. Most pH meters crap out within a year or so. Instead of spending $100 or more, you can just replace that head for $30. I like it. I like it. Now let's get on down here to this Mexican maple. We're gonna roll with that for now. But yeah, I'll start my day one count when I can see that second set of true leaves coming on. And she has them, so she got 60 mils of water today. Thursday she'll get 80 mils. Don't know what my watering schedule is. I will dig it up or make a new one and share it with you next week. I find most new growers' problems come from overwatering, not nutrient deficiencies and none of that. Simply overwatering. You get a handle on that, you'll bust out good grows every grow. I hope I ain't leave nothing out. One more looky. from Ford Low 650 for my birthday day. Appreciate you, brother. Love y'all. Fat Buds is out. Peace.